The BMW 7 Series F01 key fob often fails due to battery depletion. Start by gently prying open the case using plastic pry tools. Insert the tool into the seam near the keyring end and work around the edge to release the clips. Avoid metal tools to prevent damage. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the polarity with positive side up. Insert a new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Batteries are available for $5 to $15 on Amazon. Snap the case back together firmly and test the remote functions. Use a heat gun if the plastic is too stiff. If the remote still doesn't work after battery replacement, the issue might be a corroded circuit board, which requires professional attention. Always double-check the battery polarity and ensure you're using a new, high-quality CR2032 battery from a reputable brand to prevent leaks. The lifespan of a typical battery is 2 to 3 years, with a fair number of owners replacing batteries annually. Ensure the battery is a CR2032 and not a similar size. Automotive trends are shifting toward keyless and digital solutions. New BMW models increasingly use smartphone apps or digital keys, potentially eliminating the need for physical fobs and batteries. Battery technology is also evolving, with longer-lasting lithium variants and eco-friendly recycling programs becoming more common. Expect DIY repairs to remain relevant for older vehicles like the F01. For now, the traditional physical key fob will remain standard for older vehicles.